Hi, today we will talk about your second paper. Before we start, I want to say that I am really pleased with the quality of your papers, with your analysis of identity-based conflicts, and with the use of theories of ethnic and social identity in your analysis. Let me start with the introduction. Introduction to your paper should contain puzzle and main thesis. It is selling point of your paper. It should capture attention from the very beginning. What you are going to tell in this paper, how your analysis of particular case is different from all other analyses. It is not a good idea to put history of the case in the introduction, because it does not help your paper stand alone. Another mistake is to introduce a roadmap without main idea. Imagine I read a lot of papers which start from the same words. In this paper, I will analyze ethnic identity using theories of Volkan, Touchville, Turner, Tilly, and so on. Description of theory which you will use in the introduction is also not a good idea, because it's not clear what particular case you're going to analyze and what is main idea which you're going to present and develop in your paper. Second is the case study structure. Here, please describe the dynamics of case as identity-based conflict, instead of describing history and main issues of conflict, and then adding theories to retell the story. If you think that history of your case is important, present a short overview and discuss what events were used as chosen traumas and glories and why. What prototypes were used in defining and redefining social identity, mobilization of the masses. Another mistake is to organize paper by several theories and discuss how they can be applied to this particular case. So you just should tell the story of particular ethnic conflict and use theories to explain its dynamics and features. Third is theoretical concepts. You have to use theory as explanation of your particular case. Do not just refer to it. Use references and proper citations. Fourth, some of you did use a lot of very interesting concepts, but some students do not really present case as dynamic case. I would really recommend you to use theories of Azar, Kelman, Krisberg, or Korostelina to show different stages of particular ethnic conflict, to show how different factors play a role in these stages, and how issue change through all these stages. Finally, I am pleased that some students show a lot of courage and creativity. For example, some students discuss special racial group organizations as ethnic identity, applying to them particular understanding of identity and its dynamics. This paper is the next step for your preparation for the final paper, which you will submit at the end of the class. We'll have one more opportunity to discuss case studies during week number 5, and I am looking forward to read your final papers.